sorry, excuse me.
Sorry about that.
Hey, dude with the green hair. Hey, you. Hey, guy with the green hair. Can I take your picture, man? I'll give you a card. You can send me an email. I'll send you a copy of it. You got a good look. I do street photography on YouTube. Let me get a shot, like right here. Here we are. Let's see. Let me right there. Perfect. Let me do one more here, man. There we go. Right here. Perfect. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, man.
Are you gonna take a picture of me?
If you want me to.
Sure.
There we go. There we go. Hold on here. Let me get a good shot of you. Right on, brother. Hold on. Let's take another one here. Here you go. There we go. Use a buck.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Let's do it. Let's just get a good. Let's make sure we got a good pose over here. This is gonna be one you can use. There we go. Yeah, let me do one more here, man. Right on. Here we go. There we are. Right on, brother. All right, man. Send me an email. Thanks.
Enjoy your evening knowing that
Where we going?
you what? What is going on?
Cool. I need to get somebody walking here. Go across the street. Some more people. This one. Can I take a picture?
Huh?
I do street photography. Can I take a picture?
Have
Got perfect light here, man.
Have at.
There we go. Right on. Hardest working guys downtown, right here.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I didn't think there'd be anybody down here tonight. It's amazing. Is it like this every weeknight?
Monday night, yeah.
Like I mean the rest of the like weeknights and everything? Oh, I didn't figure it'd be just like the weekends only. So cool. Okay. And I can walk this way.
Hope I got that. Hope I got that.
Oh, this is cool. Right with this. That's all right.
Yeah? Right, you go to these nice restaurants and they do all their ones.
No, and I have some, yeah.
They have relationships with that they can.
Oscar's nice enough for it.
Let's do something here. Oh. Don't know. There's a guy walking this way though, so let's go ahead and grab him. Should have got those people.
No, I'm done. I stepped outside. Wow.
Oh, guy on a scooter. Here we go. Although I've still got it. See, I keep forgetting to switch it back to Snap after I have it on.
So it's got to be one.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for us today. We certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking things out. We'll be back on the next one. We will have more Ricoh Wednesdays coming up. If we can't hit everyone, our goal is to hit as many as we can. I'll have other cameras on the channel, but Wednesday is Ricoh Wednesday. We're going to make sure we try to keep that happening. There we go, guy on a scooter. So there you have it. All right, I just can't stop shooting. So again, that's going to do it. I appreciate it, and we will see you hopefully next week with more Ricoh Wednesday. Like I said, we're going to have more different types of cameras, Fuji and Pentax and things, but those are going to be reserved for, you know, Fridays or Sundays or whatever. But Wednesdays are going to be Ricoh Wednesdays, and we'll keep that rolling, and then in that way, because I know a majority of my subscribers are Ricoh folk. And that's why I'm here, that's why you're here, so we're going to make sure and keep that rolling for you. So I will do my best to make that happen. You can't see me, but I've got a thumbs up, the Ricoh, there we go, the Ricoh, and we're going to make this happen, guys. So I do appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and hey, there we go. Thanks for tuning in, checking it out. We'll see you on the next one, guys. All right, so long.